Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to MNC Group Investor Forum 2022 for a group meeting of PT MNC Capital. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Tirtawidi Gilang Citradi from MNC Sekuritas, who will be moderating this session. The theme strengthening Indonesia's resilience and transformation is in line with the effectiveness of various strategic efforts by government in boosting economic recovery during the pandemic. In addition, G20 presidency is the right momentum for Indonesia to contribute to the global economy through the implementation of various strategies, transformation, integration, and synergy in all lines. This 4-day of conference will be attended by domestic investors and network of investors abroad who have partnered with ACTO or Auerbach Grayson in more than 125 countries. The event consisted of 3 days corporate forum with the leaders of Indonesian listed companies and closed with the highlight of the event, namely a macro day that welcome all participants to attend keynote address and dialogues from Indonesia's policymakers and capital market regulators. To start this session, please allow me to give a warm welcome to Bapak Urianto Guyandi, Chief Financial Officer of PT MNC Capital, who will be our keynote speaker today. So without further ado, Pak Urianto will give his presentation and we will follow up with the Q&A session. Just to remind you all, if you have any question, please use chat box or raise hand feature, and then I will lead the Q&A session. Now, I would like to invite Bapak Urianto Guyandi to give the company updates and also strategy of PT MNC Capital. Bapak Urianto, the screen is yours.
Thank you. Distinguished investor and analysts, good morning. Thank you for attending the MNC Capital Corporate Updates. MNC Capital is ready to tap the opportunity toward the resilience of Indonesia economy after pandemic, as we have developed applications that cater the financial needs of the market. Additionally, we can take the opportunity of the big potential of consumer and business by getting support and synergy from MNC Media. MNC Capital is aiming to serve Indonesia big potential market with digital innovative financial services through the businesses of, please allow me to share the screen. Next, please. Okay. To the business of security brokerage, insurance, general insurance, life insurance, and we are also ready with the MotionSure and Motion Life as a digital product. For the multi-finance, we have consumer finance and leasing through our digital application, Motion Credit. We are combining and integrating the business of banking, securities, financial technology, e-money, e-wallet, and payment gateway into Motion Digital. And also we have asset management company and soon Motion Crypto and venture capital as well. Next, please. We will launch Motion Digital, PT Motion Digital Technology, to create more synergy within financial services provider and focus on developing transaction-focused applications range from banking, financing, stock trading, e-money, and payment gateway flash mobile. For banking, we have an AI-based credit scoring application that will provide a brand new digital borrowing experience for our customer. We have digital banking licenses, and we will also launch the virtual credit and debit and credit card as well, peer-to-peer lending and buy now pay later, BNPL, and also we collaborate and working together with Visa, MasterCard for the virtual credit card and debit card with the Copnus cost for funding to the retired employee. We also collaborate with Credit Pintar and Atome peer-to-peer lending because we can get this access better because of we can get support from the media and to support our collaboration as well with the peer-to-peer and the others e-commerce as well. We have also cooperation with the Ministry of Small Medium Enterprise, which is also have about 15 million offline merchants connected using the QRIS. Pos Indonesia. This Pos Indonesia also become like a bridge for us because can reach remote area in Indonesia using their post office branches. For Motion Trade as a securities and brokerage company through our digital application, we have also working together with the e-commerce and also fund management company in order for us to extend to get more user. A differentiated trading application will offer the best user experience, lowest latency, lower commission, complete e-fund product. We also provide the one-day trade limit and margin funding, all powered by Motion Trade team and business model ingenuity. For Motion Pay or through our company MNC Technology Nusantara, an all-encompassing e-money and digital wallet that will allow user to collect points from transactions, pay using QR code in 14.8 million offline merchants, and not the least also direct host-to-host with major banks. Our Flash Mobile as a payment gateway and biller aggregator, we also provide services fraud detection, invoicing for small medium enterprise, as well as eKYC services as well. Next, please. To give a bit background of MNC Media, MNC Media is the leading media player in Indonesia. MNC Capital will greatly benefit from MNC Media strong presence, dominating the audience share in the prime time for 48.2% for our FTA TV. We can reach better in Indonesia. We can reach Indonesia Archipelago very well. And also we have 300,000 live content library with the production every year, 20,000 fresh production every year. We have content production for talent search, 80% market share. And also the best rating of our talent search is produced and broadcast by our TV group. And also we have 10.3 million pay TV and broadband through our MNC Vision, K-Vision, and MNC Play. Besides that, we also very dominant on the online media, on the YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook as well. On the YouTube, we have 166 million subscribers, and also we have 400,000 top artists and 288 YouTubers. For TikTok, we have 229 million followers. For Facebook, we have 59 million followers. For the OTT, RCTI Plus and Vision Plus, we have 110 million monthly active users. We also have strong presence in the e-commerce through our Mr. Aladdin MNC, and MNC Shop with 2.8 million users. We have 6 portals with a combined 80 million monthly active user. Okzone, Sindonews, iNews, Celebrities, IDX, Sportstar.id. For our motion banking, we already have around 1 million users. For Motion Pay, we have around 1 million users as well. For Motion Trade, we have 350,000 users. We have also cooperation, as I mentioned, with the post office, with the branches of 4,524 branches in Indonesia can reach the whole Indonesia archipelago, which can serve our product through our digital application. For SME merchants, we have also cooperation with Ministry of Small Medium Enterprise and Cooperation, that also we can give lending for the small medium enterprise merchants. MNC Capital as a holding company has a 27 Indonesian financial license across its 9 subsidiaries, including 11 financial technology license. Broker and dealer license also we have from FINRA USA, held by our subsidiary Alba Grayson. Next. What is the investment highlights for the MNC Capital? What we see is Indonesia is as an immense market opportunity. We can serve unbanked and underbanked with our solid digital presence. We have new digital initiative that can provide low cost and accessible product that fit customer needs. And also we building superior understanding of our customer through solid digital ecosystem within the group. Full suite license under one holding company, MNC Capital. We have proven track record strong in organic growth, and exceptional management team as well. For industry overview, with MNC Media strong and growing ecosystem, MNC Media support will help Motion Digital to reach and better serve Indonesia big and fast growing digital financial services potential market that has not been served well by the bank, underbanked and unbanked population, which is more than 70%. MNC Capital also would serve Indonesia technology native generation unique market need and raise the bar of financial services customer experience with its sophisticated applications. In addition, the collaboration between Motion Digital and MNC Media, together with well-known and immense e-commerce, will offer more options for customers to make payment and to get borrowing and extra benefit from the services provided by Motion Digital. The growing digital economic size in Indonesia projected from the 2021 up to 2025 will have compounded annual growth of 20%. And also for the digital financial services, likely to increase usage for the lending, remittance, and payment as well. Next. This is the application that we have. Motion Pay, Motion Banking, Motion Trade, Motion Life for the life insurance application. For the Motion Banking solution itself, as we, next please. We will have a virtual credit card application in Motion Banking with collaboration with Visa and Master Virtual Credit Card, as well as pay later source of fund for Motion Pay and online transactions. We have AI-based credit scoring for our borrowing processes, and also the integration with the Motion Pay for our e-money and e-wallet and remittance as well. We can use for the QRS payment as well by using Motion Banking, our Motion Banking application. The application is light and easy to use, friendly user interface and user experience, complete feature and products, attractive rewards, and we also apply open banking API. Our strategy for the Motion Bank is to maximizing transaction-based income from underserved individual and SME. Why this market? Because from the 186 million low middle income individual, 71% has no access to credit at this moment. And from 65 million micro, small, and medium enterprise, 70% no access to credit, and 30% have access to credit. Our strategy, support by our MNC Media, we will have a collaboration with our partners like peer-to-peer lending, Visa and Master, Copnus POS, and also with the other e-commerce to support our lending and funding for our working capital for merchant and buyer as well. For Motion Trade of MNC Sekuritas has been one of the best and well-known online stock trading platform in Indonesia since 2016. We have several rewards from the iEconomics, Infobank, IDX as well. With the effective strategy, our Motion Trade has been growing, become around 350,000 users, and also for the transaction value from 2020 up growing 120% to 2021, and also commission value grew 108% from 2020 to 2021. Our strategy will boost the margin account user with a lower trading fee and to increase transaction value. More partnership with asset management company, community, and collaboration with fintech and e-commerce company application with huge user base for client acquisition. Bring more convenience with e-mutual fund product as collateral, one-day trade limit, and margin funding. We have also strategy, have flexible limit trading policy with control risk management. We increase also our presence physically through branches. We will have 30 branches from now, 25 branches. We have also investment gallery from 106 become 124 investment galleries, and also community partners and also Sharia community partners as well. Next. For Motion Pay by MNC Technology Nusantara is a digital payment platform that includes e-money, e-wallet, Motion Wallet, and electronic fund transfer facility, Motion Transfer. Motion Pay serves as the main payment instrument in MNC Group ecosystem as well as mass products payment. Our feature for the Motion Pay, seamless and secure transactions, seamless customer journey and payment flow for safe transaction without any hassle. Easy refund. We have also rewards through our Motion points, redeemable loyalty program, and various special offers. QRIS payment connected to 14.8 million offline merchants. We can do also QRIS transaction on TV through our TV network. And also direct house to house with major bank for lower transaction costs with convenient store for low cost cash out. Today, the QR adoption in Indonesia has reached 14.8 million merchants that can do also for the cross-border remittance from Indonesia, Malaysia, India, Pakistan, Philippines, Thailand as well. So the sender and the receiver will receive the money without hassle since through the payment gateway, domestic switching agent and foreign switching agent between the issuer and acquirer can be easily processed at the same time. The transaction value itself is growing from for the 2021 is 1.9 billion US dollar. Flash Mobile focus on providing payment gateway services in Indonesia with qualified certification, including payment card industry digital data security standard certification, fund transfer certification between banks and e-money, QRIS payment certification, electronic transaction and system operators. We can help for SME for the invoicing, biller aggregator. We also provide value-added services through eKYC. The perfect synergy for a seamless user we can create through our application of Motion Banking, Motion Pay, Motion Trade. So people can have a complete banking solution from saving to lending and everything in between. For the Motion Trade, people can do investment, doing stock trading, and also for the Motion Pay, they can have a wallet conveniently accessible from the mobile phone for everyday online and offline transaction supported by our payment gateway Flash Mobile. For the life insurance, we have Motion Life digital application, offer the most complete digital life insurance product available in the market with complete online onboarding, online claim, auto debit feature. Motion Life is supported by 24-hour live chat to serve its policyholder anytime, anywhere, from accident, health, life, pandemic care, education, and pension as well. The feature itself is a friendly user because we have integration with our Motion Pay, and also we have a live chat support. For Motion Sure provide a wide variety of general insurance products for retail and corporate customer. Motion Sure is supported by an emergency live chat support button and a responsive workshop directory list to deliver faster and more convenient services. The product itself consists of Motion Sure car, home, family, gadget, domestic travel, international travel, as well as flight. And also the feature itself is convenient and also have some promotion and announcement and also complete product for general insurance needs. For digital financing, we have Motion Credit. Motion Credit can provide the financial needs of our customer with the seamless financing product through buy now pay later scheme for easiness of financing. We collaborate with the marketplace and also media to support the usage of our Motion Credit. For the MNC Finance itself, we provide MNC Dana Mobile car financing through AI-based credit scoring and easy-to-use application. And also MNC Dana Rumah for host refinancing through flexible use of application. This application also has integration with Motion Pay to support a daily transaction and also to support pay, financing through QRIS through QRIS. The application is friendly UI UX, will provide complete financial solution and also flexible financing solution supported by AI-based credit scoring. MNC Capital also has near future development. We will develop Motion cryptocurrency exchange, a marketplace to buy and sell cryptocurrency, with further development in blockchain sphere for projects like NFT, Metaverse, collaborating with MNC Media. AI-based credit scoring. We also have we will develop also venture capital as well as Motion Fund, online mutual fund to buy, sell, switch, redeem MNC asset management mutual fund with interconnection to MNC Trade and Motion Pay. For the security crowdfunding, we will develop Motion Seed for the micro and small medium enterprise to raise fund by selling portion of ownership or through debt through debt. The financial highlight of MNC Capital for the full year we will provide soon, but for the 9 months we can see here that revenue grew by 8.7% from 1.76 become 1.92 trillion, and also the net income increased 55.3% from 16.8 billion become 26.15 billion. Our asset increased from 17.5 trillion become 21.58 trillion. The ratio itself improving for the profit loss to asset ratio from 0.12 become 0.14. Liabilities to equity and also liability to asset ratio. For the profit and loss, the revenue, as I mentioned before, net income we can see here, earning per share also increase. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Pak Urianto, for giving us a nice and insightful presentation. I would like to follow up with the Q&A session, but due to time consideration, we decided to limit only 3 questions. And now we have 3 questions here. Pak Urianto, may I proceed with the question, Pak?
Yes.
Okay. The first question comes from Helva. This is related to digital payment and e-wallet service, Pak. As we know that in digital payment and e-wallet service, industry remains dominated by several players, including GoPay, OVO, Dana, and ShopeePay, just to name a few. Given MNC Group has a large ecosystem in media and financial services, how can Motion Pay or Motion Transfer leverage this to seek growth opportunity? And also, do you seek another expansion strategy outside of your ecosystem? Thank you. Please, Pak.
Okay. As we know that we have a strong presence on the MNC media, and also we can do a collaboration with for the e-commerce as well as also the other fintech company. We can collaborate between MNC Media, Motion Digital, or MNC Capital, and also the e-commerce company. Together with the MNC Media, we can have a collaboration. What is the collaboration? We can provide the easiness for payment and also get some reward with the collaboration with the our MNC Media. For example, the e-commerce company can promote their product and also the facility that they have, the services that they have through our MNC Media, and the payment will use the Motion Banking or Motion Pay as well to leverage the usage and the application of the Motion Banking and Motion Pay transactions. So with the collaboration with the MNC Media and others, our partner, such as the peer-to-peer lending or fintech, e-commerce, we can leverage the usage of our Motion Pay and Motion Banking because of we can promote their product through our media as well.
Okay, thank you, Pak Urianto, for the comprehensive answer. So to recap, actually, BCAP is planning to expand its ecosystem outside of internal ecosystem by collaborating with fintech and also with e-commerce. That's for the first question. And then we move to the next question, Pak Urianto. This comes from Jansen Sumual. As we know that the trend in banking industry, that the banks are now going smaller, which means that they try to channel their credit into ultra micro and even SME segment, which offer higher yield. And based on your presentation, you said that one of subsidiary of BCAP or MNC Capital, that is Motion Bank, also seek to enter this market and also use AI credit scoring to help find quality asset. So can you please elaborate us what is AI credit scoring will look like, and what can this technology help boost the quality of the asset for Motion Banking? Thank you, Pak.
Okay, so why we serve this also the individual and also SME because of, as we know that this SME and individual mostly still underbanked and unbanked. And also with the strong presence of our media, we can serve this population with collaboration with e-commerce and fintech also as well. So the AI technology or the AI-based credit scoring itself will be developed with our partner, with our team AI in India as well, and also our partner AI-based credit scoring in Indonesia to provide the more accurate credit scoring that can reduce the risk or can manage the risk of giving lending to this community. We see that what we see is with the support of MNC Media and also the collaboration with the others e-commerce or fintech, we can serve well this unbanked and underbanked supported by our AI-based credit scoring. The AI-based credit scoring itself, as we understand, is a artificial intelligence based, which is very, very technology driven and also supported by our team in artificial intelligence in India as well as in Indonesia to get more data from our AI provider services.
Okay, thank you, Pak Urianto. This is interesting about AI credit scoring, but actually to sum up that MNC Capital sees individual and SME still underbanked, and it offers a huge potential and opportunity to tap in. But using AI credit scoring, I mean here this technology could actually help build accurate credit scoring and to reduce and also manage the quality of the asset and also the risk itself. Okay, thank you, Pak Urianto. And then for the third question, this comes from Reha Mauren. Under new banking regulation, banks are expected to have 3 trillion capital by 2022. Given one of the subsidiary of MNC Capital, Motion Bank, Core Capital still under that regulation, what is the plan? Did the bank already engage with other strategic investor?
Okay. As we from slide Motion Digital, tolong Tata. Here we will launch Motion Digital. This consists of MNC Bank, MNC Sekuritas, and MNC Teknologi Nusantara that focus on transactions based application. That with this application, people can have a seamless usage and also seamless get financial services from our Motion Digital. So with this synergy and integration of the Motion Digital, we expect that investor will also get attracted by this integration. And at the moment, we have also discussion with more than one strategic investor that has one of the big digital bank in the world that also interested and also have discussion with us for today. And with this Motion Digital, we are confident that we can get more investor through our to our Motion Digital.
Okay, thank you, Pak Urianto, for the answer. So to recap, actually, BABP or Motion Banks is on discussion with more than one strategic investor, and hopefully with the story of the integration or ecosystem integration, it will attract another strategic investor.
And also actually the investment is not only can do through PABP, but we can do actually is a investor is very interested with the Motion Digital because of this can have a better synergy and also complete financial services. That's why we are creating Motion Digital to attract more uh, to get more attraction from the investor. And so investor can invest in this Motion Digital, and of course with the money from the Motion Digital we can do also placement on the MNC Bank as well. So the investment is can come from the Motion Digital, not directly to MNC Bank, because this integration can be better, can get better valuation.
Okay, thank you for the additional information, Pak Urianto. It seems that we still have another time, and we have one more question, one last question. It comes from Purnomo. It's about insurance business. COVID-19 has a major impact on business in every sector, and insurance is no exception. Both premium payment and claim increased during COVID-19. However, Indonesians still lack insurance literacy. The agency system remains dominant for insurance, although players start to take the digital transformation agenda seriously. Given the Motion Life is also aggressively transformed into digital insurance, do you have any guidance or what kind of planning that you want to show to the market that actually the digital transformation works?
Mm-hmm. Okay, please Motion Live slide. Mm-hmm. Okay, to answer, the Motion Life application itself providing services from accident, health, life, pandemic, education, and pension. To support this or to have a better access with for this product, so we also, as I mentioned, MNC Capital will have a collaboration with the e-commerce and other fintech. So by having these collaborations, of course, the Motion Life can be used by our partners, by our in the group as well, such that we can get more user and also more customer. And also with this collaboration, of course, we can have better valuation for our Motion Life.
Okay, thank you, Pak. So to recap, MNC Capital, through its subsidiary MNC Life, actually offers a full range of product and service, and will also empower the collaboration between fintech and also e-commerce to actually achieve its transformation agenda. Thank you very much, Pak Urianto Guyandi. Since the time is almost up, could you give us closing remarks to end this session, Pak?
Okay, investor and analysts, thank you for attending the MNC updates. We are confident with the support of our MNC media, we can take the opportunity toward the resilience of Indonesia economic through our development of our application and also collaboration with our partner e-commerce and fintech as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Bapak Urianto, for the comprehensive presentation and closing remarks. To all participants, that concludes our call for the session. I would like to personally thank you for your attending, and also thank personally to management team of PT MNC Capital. And for your information, MNC Capital presentation and concludes today's forum. The upcoming group meeting will be tomorrow starting at 9 a.m. And the companies that will be presenting their updates and strategy are PT Waskita Gedung, PT Bukit Asam, PT Dharma Satya Nusantara, and also PT Bumi Serpong Damai. We also organize a full-day virtual conference that welcomes all participants to attend presentation from Indonesia's policymakers as well as financial service regulators who will share their views on the latest post-pandemic recovery update. Thank you for your attention. See you next time and have a great day.